Good morning, Algebra students, and thank you for watching this video before you work on your test today. Just because there's a few rules and things I would like to go over, so I'm going to kind of ask as people enter the thing if they've watched this yet. So please watch this in its entirety. It shouldn't be very long before you start working on the test. So you guys are about to work on a test. That means it is a test. That means it should be done by you and you only. Okay, please don't be using Google. You obviously have your computers open. You could use Google. You could go back and watch my YouTube videos. But this is supposed to test what we have lectured and how it has gone. So you may use your notes. It is an open note test. You may be using your notes, but don't use Google. Don't talk to anybody else. You may talk to me. All right, that's part of the reason I'm on Google Meet. If for some reason you have a question, you can unmute yourself and say, hey, Miss Jabs, can we talk? And there's going to be a couple options that I give you for how we talk. Since you say that, I'll know I can check my email if it's something you could ask kind of through email. There is a possibility that even though you're on Google Meet, you could do a Google Hangout, which is a video chat, just like a one-on-one video chat. And we would be able to do that. Even if your microphone on Google Meet is muted, your other microphone can still pick it up. Your microphone can still pick it up for the other one. I am going to include my cell phone number on the classroom stream. So if you have questions, you can feel free to call me. It is a Baltimore number. So if you look at it and you're dialing it and you're like, wait a minute, this is calling a Maryland number, that it's correct. Okay. Please don't have other distractions out. Please try to maybe be in a room by yourself, with no distractions there. You guys are by yourself. If you listen to music sometimes, I'm not going to say you have to put your headphones away or anything else like that. But you should be able to hear and see me in case I call you out or something on that. This is a test. A couple of you asked, is it going to be like that multiple choice test we took? Well, for that one, half of you didn't send me a picture of your work. Since this is a test at the end of the chapter, I need to see your work. So you need to have like a couple pieces of paper out or something and be showing work and doing work. And please write neat and clear, because at the end, you're going to send me, not anybody else, you're going to send me a picture of your completed test. Okay? And you are not excused. I will do that in just a second. When you are ready for the test, you will go to Google Classroom, and on Google Classroom, at the particular times, I will say 9 o'clock, here's your Google Meet, and I will give you a code that you're supposed to enter on Google Meet so that you get into the right room. Please make sure, again, just like how I'm sitting right here, I could be sitting here working on something, but the computer screen is faced right towards me that I can see you the whole time. If you are using a calculator, I can understand some of you use Desmos, which is on your Chromebook. By the way, if you're using Desmos, please make sure it's in degree mode. Others of you have your calculator or your iPhone or whatever. Just make sure that you're using a calculator. And if you have any questions with calculators, just because some people use multiple pages, and when it does this, it makes it easier for me. Would you please write your name on the top of each page? So, like if I'm working here and I do this, I should have my name at the top. If I decide to turn it over, I'm still going to write my name at the top of this one. Or if I go on to a second page, I got to write my name on the top. Okay? When you are done, again, you will unmute your thing and say, hey, Miss Jabs, be checking your email soon or whatever, and you and I will talk a little bit, and you will, again, send me a picture of your completed test. I want to make sure that it's a nice, clear test, that I can see it and read it. I don't want to get it, and then when I'm grading it, probably next week, guys, when I'm grading it, be like, what does this say? And try to contact you and have you try to find those papers again. So I'm going to make sure that I can see the nice clear copy before you leave. But once you're done with that, you may check out. There is going to be a video tomorrow. It's not going to be much, I promise, but please get your point for checking in tomorrow. And other than that, good luck on your test. Please make sure you know I'm around at the computer. Ask if you have any questions. Thank you.